Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
In every aspect of your developmental agenda, we will do everything to ensure that we achieve the vision of progress, prosperity, and we will not forget the fact that the light rail project is there on our focus. We are focusing on that. We are going to do it, and we'll do it together. The project I've just mentioned are well thought out. What we have been doing is laudable for this country. And I want to remind all our governors present that skill development that we jointly inspected and commissioned today is an example that subnational should follow. Whatever we need to do together, we will do it. We will soon launch a comprehensive agenda on that, as well as make bold agenda for food sovereignty. Thank you for the warm reception. Obasanjo, I thank you very much. Thanks to all of you. The time is running. I got to get back to work. Next one, I will try and have more time to stay the night in Kaduna State.